Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video of Chanel items that I picked from Vestiaire Collective. So yeah, most of them. So one of a pair of shoes that I bought from their boutique. So let's start with the small item. As you can see, they are a pair of earrings. Actually, this have become one of my favorites these days. So yeah, I wear them a lot. These are a pair of earrings. They came out either in late 2020 or 2021. I don't really know about this, but on the back of these earrings, stamping, it says 20s. Yeah, but I also see stamps that that are saying 21s. So yeah, in the beginning I was really suspicious of the authenticity of this pair of earrings, so I sent them back to Vestiaire Collective for rechecking. And the first time they were checked in Europe, and second time they were checked in Hong Kong, and both time I got the same answer that they are real. And also I found another authenticator online that gave me the same answer that they are real. Yes, actually you don't know that they not knowing whether they're real or not really annoys me. Yeah, so but luckily I got them authenticated. Actually, the pricing, I also like the pricing. The price was $646 Australian. You just need to haggle the price on Vestiaire Collective. The reason why I got this pair of earrings at such a great price is because one of the pushbacks, the plastic attached to the pushback, has fallen off. And this pair of earrings had been online for a really long time, so I reckon the seller was just in a rush to sell them, and that's it. So the second one, is, so this one comes with a copy of a receipt, and I didn't get this one authenticated because I can tell immediately from the packaging. So velvety, high quality cushion here, and when you open this up, you will see a beautiful well made hair clip. Normally I don't like Chanel hair accessories because I think it's just waste of money, but for this one I just can't take my eyes off this pair. So also, I haggled the price. I bought this at 720 something dollars Australian, so they're well made. This one came out in 2020, either 2020 or 2021. I can't remember this, but you know, we can get really good bargains if we buy something that in past seasons. And you need to trust Chanel. So you know, even some items are in past seasons, they can still be well designed, well made, and they will hardly be out of style in the next, say for example, 5 or 10 years. And that's that. So the second item is here. So the third item I want to show you is, yes, a pair of shoes, a pair of ballerinas. So actually I just got them authenticated 30 minutes ago. Of course I was checking the pictures posted by the seller, and I had determined that they were real back then, but you know, I still need a professional opinion on this. So I went to Legit Grail, that can provide you 30-minute service. So I got them authenticated. Yes, they are in patent leather, but the colorway is the classic beige and black tone, and they came out in 2017. I asked the seller before, so, and the size is 36.5. Yeah, they're just so cute. They're just so cute, and they go so well with any other outfit. So yeah, I just can't get them out of my mind, and I was like, you know what, it's so hard to get a pair of them in lambskin in this colorway in store. You know, even you have an SA, it's not guaranteed. They don't even display this pair, this kind of colorway, right? So they only display seasonal shoes. So yeah, but they are classic. So I just think they're pretty rare, you know. The colorway and the leather combination. The leather is patent. And I got really good deal. Like I saved around 600 bucks from the retail price. I'm really happy with this purchase. So the third one is done, and let's have a look at the fourth one. Yes, I've already taken this out of the dust bag. They did come with a box which is too big to fit in this camera. So yeah, it's a pair of booty. Actually they're rubber. They're made in rubber, but really soft. And it says Chanel. And I was also obsessed with Chanel Wellington boots, but you know, the recent season, the price is crazy. First of all, you can't find them anywhere, and second of all, if you can on a second-hand market, the price is crazy. So I checked on Vestiaire Collective. The pricing was around 3,000 to 4,000. Some of them they're really crazy, like $5,000 Australian for a pair of rubber boots. Not worth it. I love them. I love the latest season booties, but I don't love them enough to pay that amount of money. So yeah, I haggled the price with the seller. This seller is a professional seller, so they didn't let me haggle too much. So I got this pair around $560 Australian. Okay, I just love the combination, the beige tone here and black tone colorway. Okay, let's move on to the last item. What I get for the last item? Yes, I got that from store, and I did the unboxing shots before. This one is from 23C. The seasonal shoes. They are just so well made, so beautiful. Yes, this one is also the classic black and pink. I've worn this multiple times, as you can see from my sole here and the heel. So it's damaged, right? But I don't care. I just love them. I really love the colorway, the combination. This one is made of aged calf skin, and here the insole is made of quilted leather, which is really comfortable. And I just love this elegant classic look. It's not boring. It's just really, you know, it's just yelling out Chanel. I love this pair of shoes, but the price is crazy as well. Alright, so the pricing for this pair of shoes, so I'll wear them in size 36.5. C is for like wider feet. So the pricing is, if I'm not wrong, is $2,170 Australian. I know the price is crazy for a pair of shoes, but once you wear them, you will understand why they're so expensive. Okay, alright, that's all the items that I want to show you for picking up, but I also want to show you my cardigan. This one is from 19K Runway, and I bought them from a consignment store in Melbourne. The price, the condition is very good. So it's not never worn. Yes, it's been worn like many times, but the condition is very good. And the pricing is around 1,800 something dollars Australian. So I saved thousands of bucks. But also, yes, this one is past season. This one is back in 2019. Yes, the contrast colorway, I love it. And I'm really hot wearing this, making this video right now because in Australia it's summertime. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hope you have a happy holiday. Take care. Bye. So you can have a look. Of the cardigan. This one. So this one is designed for not just wearing as a cardigan, but you need to wear something underneath. Otherwise, you will be showing your lumps and bumps. Okay. So the retail price before them was $5,000 something, but as I said before, is someone has worn this and someone has gotten this dry cleaned. Yeah. I love this cardigan very much. It's so unique and soft. And the material, I believe, is cashmere and wool. Yes. But I forgot which one is the main material here. But just so elegant, isn't it? Okay, bye.